A few months ago, Derek's arthritis started getting so bad that he had a real problem using the stairs. It was then that our eldest son made the decision for us. Mum, Dad, he said, you're getting an Acorn stair lift. He was right. We didn't want to move from the family home simply because Derek struggled with the stairs. The engineer who came to fit our Acorn stairlift was brilliant. In our case, he installed the stairlift the very next day. He took no time at all. There was no mess, and he explained everything that we needed to know. And now it's wonderful when the grandchildren visit. Seeing them playing and seeing him able to join in, like the big kid that he is, means so much to us all. We should have done it ages ago. I simply can't explain how much our Acorn stairlift has helped us. It's changed our lives, especially Derek's. But more importantly, we can stay in the house we love. It's our home, our life. Thank you, Acorn.